Big progress is unfolding across the stadium, and today's update captures some of the most important developments happening right now. From fast-paced facade installation to heavy structural work and new materials arriving on site, multiple areas are moving at the same time. Let's take a closer look at everything that's changing across the project. Black facade panel installation is progressing rapidly, with multiple sections completed within a short time frame. From one day to the next, entire panel segments have been finished, indicating an efficient and fast-paced installation process. Sandwich panels are actively being transported and installed in the south goal corner area. Installation is progressing steadily, although some sections still have visible gaps where panels are yet to be placed. Workers are operating on elevated platforms, carefully positioning and aligning each panel, indicating ongoing facade completion work in this zone. Significant new materials have arrived on site, including pillars and radial beams for the compression ring. Compared to previous days, there is a noticeable increase in stored structural components, indicating preparation for upcoming large-scale installations. The Tribuna section shows high levels of activity, with multiple machines, cranes, and platforms operating simultaneously. Structural connections for llama supports are largely complete, with the next phase focusing on installing the support brackets. New structural elements are being lifted and positioned using cranes, while workers on elevated platforms secure them into place. Additional teams are applying materials to beams, continuing preparation for future installations. In the corner near the north side, structural assembly continues with beams being lifted and secured into place. Elevated platforms are actively used by workers to connect and stabilize newly installed components, while additional alignment work is being carried out to ensure precise positioning. Nearby crane activity suggests ongoing lifting operations, indicating that this section is actively progressing with multiple elements being assembled in sequence. Workers are preparing new anchor zones, with some applying a white coating material to structural beams. Adjacent teams are actively tightening and adjusting previously installed anchors to ensure proper alignment and stability. At higher levels, crane operations suggest that formwork panels are being removed, indicating that concrete work in these sections has likely been completed. This transition marks progress from structural formation to finishing stages. In the north goal area, llama installation remains paused. Work is instead focused on upper structural sections, where workers are preparing beams, possibly applying protective coatings or completing prerequisite tasks before resuming llama placement. The compression ring continues to dominate visually, with its scale becoming more apparent. Although activity is lighter compared to previous days, the structure shows gradual expansion. Previously installed segments remain in place, while surrounding scaffolding systems are being prepared for upcoming lifts. Protective netting has been installed along the facade to prevent falling materials and ensure worker safety. Exterior works continue with minimal visible changes, although internal progress remains ongoing behind the visible structure. Installation of prefabricated seating in the south stand is nearly complete, with minimal visible changes from the previous day. The remaining sections are limited, suggesting completion is imminent. At the highest levels, workers are active around scaffolding systems and upper pillar sections. Equipment and materials are being repositioned, indicating continued preparation for upcoming structural phases. Overall, the stadium project continues to progress steadily across multiple areas. Key highlights include rapid facade panel installation, significant anchor placement progress, and the arrival of new structural components for the compression ring. This concludes today's update. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future progress. Drop your thoughts in the comments and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.